Next, what I'm gonna do is make a really cool modification. So this is the advantage of using Seaborn here, okay? We've seen the hue parameter for the scatter plots that we did, and they varied by color based on the column that we picked here. So what we can do is actually show a variety of scatter plots based on another column. And so if we look up at our data, like it would be kind of cool to show the number of bike rentals by season. And we can do that by setting hue to season, okay? So we make that one modification. Now it's gonna show 4 box plots, so we might wanna make this one a little taller, say 10 by 8. Okay, so go ahead and run that. Just one change, just adding hue equals season. And you can see now we have 4 different box plots, each by the different seasons. And they're labeled up here. One is the winter, so the season should go in order. So winter, needless to say, has the least amount of bike rentals. And then we have spring, summer, since we has the most, and fall. And spring and fall, you can see, are close. With spring having a little more, right? And we do have a couple outliers. Like here's an outlier. There's not a universal way to compute outliers. Seaborn has its own way. There's some standard ways, which you don't need to worry about right now. But that's really cool. And so the way that you get that is you simply change the hue. And do note that the hue should be a column that has a limited number of values, right? It shouldn't be like, something like casual where you have like, thousands of different values. Is not going to come out right. So it really should be a category. That's a really cool way to look at the data.